Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today we learned about action verbs in English with sentences. Let's start. I am running. I am walking. I am jumping. I am crawling. I am reading. I am writing. I am studying. I am singing. I am dancing. I am swimming. I am sliding. I am fishing. I am thinking. I am tickling. I am laughing, I am crying, I am smiling, I am working, I am cooking, I am waiting, I am smelling, I am eating, I am drinking, I am feeding, washing, I am cleaning, I am sweeping, I am mopping, I am folding, I am coughing, sneezing, I am shivering, I am shouting, listening, I am touching, I am seeing, I am feeling, I am cooking, I am speaking, I am fighting, I am speaking. So that's all. Thank you.